Mela, you said you don't do porn, you take, but there are photos. There are photos, videos.
Like there are photos, videos. Like sure, I'm not actually business things. Maybe I shouldn't actually go there.
Whatever. Yes, that's fine.
We go there.
Yeah.
Just not go there.
All right.
You get that, or you're completely like
I don't know. I'm just lost and trying to think on how I'm going to continue this into the next segments. To be honest with you,
and not to be divorced.
I trust your gut. Let's just say we go there, just not go there.
But that right left.
Okay, see, you get it.
But obviously there are photos and they have to be nice because I can't go ahead and take a photo. Issa, quick question. Ninsertaw ħafna nisa fuq Facebook, speċjalment nisa, li ġil jagħmlu wkoll, ma speċjalment nisa. Fej, ikollhom ritratt fucking bestja fuq Facebook. Mbagħad tarhom fir-realtà. U jisom zarbun ta' soldini mqatta.
Soldini.
Għala, hemm xi camera angle tricks li tista' tagħti n-nies u hekk.
Not really. Like I think we're in such an age. We're going serious here, yeah. We're in such an age because like all of this is just. It's so everyone wants to look their best on social media, but in real life, no one gives a fuck. So it's all like shaba editing. It's so much more common than it actually is.
Let's show you an example of camera tricks. Di darba jinta lajta fuq Instagram, marret vera tajba kienet ġifieri. This is basically it is the difference in camera angles. Kemm huma importanti il-camera angles, urja waħda spoon. Mela dana il-first camera angle. Alright, hemm dak in-naqaża normali imma
dad bod. I would call it the dad bod.
U hekk hemm tipo
Virgin want to sumo bod.
You know the first thing I'm thinking about here is you're hiding your penis.
That's always hidden. Irrelevant of the angle, it's always hidden.
Where is this photo going? Is this photo like for Facebook or is it for like a Tinder profile?
Anywhere, whatever you wish. But the point is to show the difference in camera angles.
Ġeneralment meta għandek raġel qed taraw dak it-tikmix li għandu fuq imnieħru meta jkun qed jiskwintja dik in-naqġi I'm trying to look sexy.
Eżatt, qed nipprova.
It's a blue steel, it's that.
Eżatt, mbagħad jiena kull ma milt issa hekk niżilt il-kamera biex ikolli camera angle differenti u ġi hekk.
Oh, wow. Oh, no, don't, no. No, stop, no. No, that's, please, no.
Sorry, Reish. Enough. All right.
Guys, that cappuccino. Finish. I'm good.
Finish.
Yeah, that was my friend who told me.
Yes. He told us illi mal-ewwel you get. It triggers your stomach.
You know what he did to me yesterday? He has a dog, small. I love Gizmo. He's the best. And apparently dogs, they have anal glands that when they're like, they need to be, something needs to be excreted, not shit, like in the glands, when the glands need to sort of pop. I don't know. Vets, come at me all you want, I don't know this shit. Apparently, until they're popped, they smell like fish. They give off a really fishy smell. Like Abat il-bira. He said, I'm going to see if I can pop it. So he went, put his fingers on Gizmo's butt, miskin. He just went, and he went and said, I don't know if I popped it. And he said, you want to smell? And I'd lost it. I was just gagging in the lift, disgusting. He took a video of me, bassa. I'll hurry to send it to you, please no. But gagging, I'm sorry, I can't deal with it. Someone tries to...
You know, wek ġibtek biex marriċ nirrovina l-karriera, ma you're auto-distracting yourself, man. I mean, what the hell xieħbib għandek, man?
Like it's... I'm sorry, I just
Bel, hitni, jena ġivi. U tiddaħħal subbaħ f'sor mill-kelb biex jiffaqallu il-lipapolit.
That was so funny, but no. Like anyone tries to like make me feel like shit, they just pretend to vomit. Or just make gagging noises and I just can't deal with it, I'm sorry.
So we know that you don't deep throat.
Take a little slurp, solid here.
You know, there are, it's okay. Side notes, there are just things that you can kind of turn off when you're, yeah.
Jaħammur lem taċ ħadġibuni fit-trabil ħaqqa.